You are making a map of South Africa. You found two layers that are useful to this project, one representing provinces and another representing urban areas. However, both layers are global in extent. You will extract a subset of each layer that contains features only within South Africa. Click any of the yellow areas on the map. Read the pop-up to find if there is a field that would be appropriate for selection. You need a field that lists the country name. The admin and GeoUnit fields both name the country. You'll use one of these fields to select those polygons that are in South Africa. Open the Select by Attributes tool. For input rows, choose Admin Boundaries. Build the expression where GeoUnit is equal to South Africa. Now that the features you need are selected, you'll copy them to a new layer with the Export Features tool. For input features, ensure that Admin Boundaries is selected. The output location, southafrica.gdb, is the geodatabase associated with this ArcGIS Pro project. For output name, type provinces_South Africa. A new layer appears in the Contents pane. Remove the old layer. Next, you'll select and export the urban areas in South Africa. This layer has no attribute to describe which country each area belongs to, so you won't be able to use the Select by Attributes tool. Instead, you'll use the Select by Location tool. For input features, choose Urban Areas. For relationship, choose Intersect. You could choose Within, but there are several urban areas that cross provincial borders. These areas would not be selected by the Within relationship. They will be selected by the Intersect relationship. For selecting features, choose provinces_South Africa, the layer you created earlier. Zoom and pan around the map to ensure that all of the urban areas within South Africa are selected and none of the ones outside of the country are selected. In this case, one urban area within Lesotho is selected. The city of Maseru is selected because its edge coincides with the national border. Instead of reconfiguring the Select by Location parameters, you'll remove this one feature from your selection set. Right-click the map and click Select Features. On the keyboard, press and hold the Control key. Click the Maseru polygon. It is no longer selected. Below the map view, you can see that 117 features are selected. You'll make a new layer from these selected urban areas. You now have two new layers, limited to South Africa. Next, you'll update the metadata for the new datasets so you won't forget where they originally came from. In the Catalog pane, on the Project tab, expand the project's geodatabase. Right-click Provinces_South Africa and click Edit Metadata. In the Item Description view, add information about the source of the data and how it was altered. Both of the layers in this map are from Natural Earth. Update the metadata for urban areas_South Africa as well. In this lesson, you selected subsets of two layers using the Select by Attributes, Select by Location, and Export Features tools. You saved metadata for your new datasets to ensure that they can be tracked to their original source later.